Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best BB creams for oily skin that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Garnier Skin Naturals Combination to Oily Hyaluronic Aloe All-in-One BB Light Cream. This product is packed with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid derivative and aloe extract, making it an excellent choice for those with combination to oily skin. It doubles as a light foundation, moisturizing cream, and sun protection, providing a breathable and radiant finish that enhances your natural complexion. The formula is lightweight, allowing your skin to breathe while offering a fresh, dewy look. In terms of design and build quality, the Garnier BB cream comes in a compact 50 milliliter tube that's travel-friendly and easy to use. The formula blends seamlessly, leaving your skin feeling moisturized without the greasy residue that many products can leave behind. However, the lighter coverage might not be suitable for those looking to completely conceal blemishes or imperfections. Performance-wise, this cream works best for those who prefer a natural, no-makeup look. It's ideal for daily wear, especially in humid conditions, as it helps control oil while keeping your skin hydrated. On the downside, the price isn't currently available, which might make it harder to determine its value relative to other products on this list. Pros include hydration, sun protection, and lightweight coverage, while cons are its sheer coverage and lack of detailed price information. Securing the third spot is the Maybelline Dream Pure Skin Clearing BB Cream. This product is a powerhouse for oily and acne-prone skin, thanks to its 2% salicylic acid content. It offers 8-in-1 benefits, including clearing acne, concealing imperfections, minimizing pores, reducing redness, hydrating, smoothing, mattifying, and clarifying skin, all in a lightweight formula. The sheer tint coverage adjusts to your skin tone for a natural, skin-perfecting finish, making it an excellent choice for those who want both coverage and skincare benefits in one product. Design-wise, the Maybelline BB Cream comes in a compact tube that's easy to carry and apply. The formula glides on smoothly and blends effortlessly, leaving a matte finish that controls excess shine throughout the day. It's also oil-free and non-comedogenic, making it a safe option for those with sensitive or breakout-prone skin. However, the sheer coverage might not be enough for those looking for a more polished, full-face makeup look. In terms of performance, this BB cream excels in controlling oil and treating acne over time, thanks to the salicylic acid. It's perfect for everyday use, especially for individuals dealing with mild to moderate acne. At $8.12, it offers excellent value for its combination of skincare and makeup benefits. Pros include acne-clearing properties, oil control, and lightweight formula, while cons are its sheer coverage and limited shade range. Our runner-up is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $7.28. Despite its affordable price tag, this BB cream delivers excellent performance for oily skin, offering a matte, oil-free formula that won't clog pores. It evens out skin tone and hides blemishes effectively, making it perfect for everyday wear. As a water-based foundation, it feels lightweight and breathable on the skin, ensuring comfort throughout the day. The design is simple yet effective, with a compact tube that's easy to carry and apply. The formula blends seamlessly into the skin, providing a natural matte finish that lasts for hours. It's also cruelty-free, making it a great choice for eco-conscious consumers. However, the shade range is somewhat limited, which might make it challenging for some users to find their perfect match. Performance-wise, the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream is ideal for oily skin, as it controls shine and delivers a smooth finish without feeling heavy. At $7.28, it offers unbeatable value for money, making it a fantastic option for those on a budget. Pros include its affordability, matte finish, and lightweight formula, while cons are the limited shade range and less long-lasting coverage compared to premium options. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the L'Oréal Paris Makeup Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. At $9.98, it's the premium option on this list, and it certainly earns its place. This multitasking BB cream primes, smooths, corrects, hydrates, and provides all-day moisture while hiding imperfections. What sets it apart is its color-transforming pigments, which adapt to your skin tone for a seamless universal finish. It also reduces the look of redness and uneven texture, giving your skin a flawless yet natural look. The design is sleek and modern, with an easy-to-use drop applicator that ensures precise application. The formula is lightweight and blends effortlessly, leaving a cream finish that feels hydrating and comfortable all day long. It's suitable for all skin tones, making it a versatile option for diverse users. However, those with extremely oily skin may find the cream finish slightly less mattifying compared to other products on this list. Performance-wise, the L'Oréal BB Cream is ideal for those seeking a polished, natural look with skincare benefits. It's perfect for daily wear and special occasions thanks to its high-quality formula and universal shade adaptability. At $9.98, it offers great value for its innovative features and flawless finish. Pros include its multitasking formula, universal shade adaptability, and hydrating finish, while cons are its slightly higher price and less mattifying effect for extremely oily skin. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the best BB cream for oily skin. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.